Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by gathering components and preparing the Arduino IDE. Connect power ground first, then TX/RX between the Fingerprint module and Arduino. Use a 1-1 logic path or level shifting if needed. Upload a minimal serial sketch to confirm USB communication. Once done, flash the Fingerprint library example to test enrollment. Make sure the module gets stable 3.5V power and that the relay coil has a protective diode. This prevents accidental resets and keeps your serial link reliable. Next, you enroll fingerprints and build the control logic. Follow the library procedure to capture 2 scans per finger, then store the template ID. This reduces false rejects. Once templates are saved, implement authentication code that checks matched ID and then triggers the relay or servo for a timed unlock. Use millis for non-blocking timing. Add LEDs for status and a push button to relock manually. Also log each match to serial or an SD card so you can audit access later. Finish by mounting the module and securing the lock hardware. Attach the sensor near the door handle at a natural angle and route cables through grommets to avoid strain. Make sure your relay or lock driver has a separate power ground tied to Arduino ground. This prevents floating signals. Test multiple users and tweak timeout and enroll retries to balance speed and accuracy. If something goes wrong, first verify stable power, then confirm RX/TX wiring, matching baud rates, and that templates were saved correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.